Question number 4. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. Sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages 48 and find out their present ages. Here I have taken, let the ages of two friends is x and y. And here given to you sum of their ages is 20. Sum means we have to add their ages. So x plus y which is equal to 20. From that we can find out the y value, y which is equal to plus x goes outside minus x, so 20 minus x. 4 years ago their ages product is given to you. Yes, 4 years ago the ages of the first friend is x minus 4 and the second friend is what? Y minus 4. Ago given, that's why we have to put minus 4. Product is given, that's why multiply, which is equal to what? 48. Product of their ages is 48 given, that's why 48. So x minus 4 as it is. In the place of y we can write it 20 minus x and minus 4 which is equal to 48. Here I want to form a quadratic equation, that's why I change the place of y. I have written 20 minus x. X minus 4. 20 minus 4 is what? 16 minus x is equal to 48. X into 16, that is 16x. X into minus x, that is minus x square. Minus 16 into 4, that is what? 64. Minus 64. Minus 4 into minus x, that is plus 4x, equal to 48. Yes? Take that side. Minus x square goes outside plus x square. This is 16x. This is what? 4x. So altogether 20x. 20x goes outside minus 20x. Yes. Minus 64 goes outside plus 64. So add it, 48 plus 64, that is 12, 112, which is equal to what? 0. Now I got a quadratic equation, x square minus 20x plus 112. Here I am going to use quadratic formula to get the x value. So, by quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b. Do you remember that? Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Right? Further I have to write a, b and c value from the equation. A value is what? 1 and the b value is what? Minus 20 and the c value is what? 112. Yes. Put them in the formula. Minus b, that is minus of minus 20, that is plus 20, plus or minus square root of b square, that is 400, minus 20 the whole square, that is 400, minus 4 a and c, that is 112, upon 2a, 2 into 1, that is 2, 20, plus or minus square root of 400 minus, multiply this one, 4 into 1, 4, 4 into 112, that is 448 upon 2. This 20 plus or minus square root of 400 minus 448, that is minus 48 upon 2. See, this does not exist. Why it does not exist? Because the root value is negative. So when the root value is negative, that is capital D is negative, we can't able to find the solution of quadratic equation. That's why write it here. B square minus 4ac is lesser than 0. Therefore, it does not exist. Aren't able to find the x value of the quadratic equation. Thank you.